that shedded his blood on the cross of Calvary for mankind, for a sinner like me and you. Nobody can love you the way he do. Even your earthly husband can never love you the way he do. Even your earthly father, your mother can never love you the way he do. Even your spouse can never love you the way he do. His love is agape love. A love that has nothing to gain. He is loving you without asking you for anything. Unconditional love. A love that do not have question mark. A love that demands nothing in return. A love that demands nothing. Unconditionally, he loves you.